Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, all my fellow world people, all my fellow philanthropists all over the world, all my fellow Ibongi people all over the world, all my fellow womanizers. I wish all of you happy new month. All of you that have survived this month, share this video and tell someone to tell someone that this new month you had to learn the very wonderful approach to people, learn how to behave and how to speak to people, so your favor can come to you very quickly by the end of this month, because the year is about to finish. So you don't enter the new year with a dirty character, the approach that you don't know how to behave and how to coordinate yourself when you are talking to people. You're talking to your destiny helper, you're talking to the people, the men and the women that will change your life, with a pride, with a spirit of arrogance, with a spirit of jealousy. You are going nowhere, trust me. When you see a man or woman that you know that they can help and change your life, all you need is a arrogant and pride. The way you speak evil against them. This guy, I don't like this guy. I don't like the way he dresses. Every time he's wearing attitude unique product because he wants to show that he's wearing most expensive product in the whole world because he's rich. It's not my fault. I'm CEO of Attitude Unit Gold Class. CEO of Attitude Unit Gold Class. You see what I mean? So it's not my fault that the crown is my product, it's my product, the eyeglass, the cups, and every other thing is my product. It's not my fault. My fault is that I'm teaching you everything you need to learn. How to be humble. I don't like this guy. I don't like how he dress. I don't like how he behave. In your mind, you want to be close to the guy. In your mind, you are praying to have this kind of girl in your life. You're praying to have this kind of guy in your life. But behind the dude, you're forming, you don't like the dude. Change this attitude. Learn manners. Learn the approach how to talk to people. Learn how approach how to behave, so you can have a quality favor from people. You can have a quality breakthrough from people. Share this goddamn video. Follow my Instagram page, FJ the King of Gold. In case you don't know. In case you don't know. Keep talking shit about my page. You don't know I'm doing you a favor. I'm motivating you to get jealous. I'm motivating you to have a pain in your mind. I'm motivating you to be envy. When you look at my dressing, when you look at my behavior, you get envy, you get jealous. That's what I love to do. I want you to get jealous so you can hustle, so you can behave, so you can learn how to talk to your senior men in wealth, your senior men in riches. It's not my fault that Attitude Unit Gold Class is giving me excess money, baby.